Imagine this. You're a U.S. citizen living abroad, and suddenly, you can't access your Social Security benefits. Panic sets in, right? But here's the good news. The U.S. Social Security Administration, SSA, has a straightforward solution to keep you connected to your benefits, no matter where you are in the world. Let's dive into the details and see how you can ensure uninterrupted access to your My Social Security account. The SSA has rolled out an important announcement that's crucial for millions of citizens, especially those residing outside the United States. The focus is on the personal My Social Security account, an essential tool for managing your benefits and procedures from anywhere. But here's where it gets controversial. Why has it taken so long for the SSA to address this issue? And why are there still so many roadblocks for citizens living abroad? The government wants to make one thing crystal clear. There's a simple fix for those living overseas who want to keep accessing their data without any hassle. The main concern arises when a U.S. citizen tries to log into their My Social Security account from abroad. Security measures often kick in, leading to blocks or limitations. But fear not, because the SSA has confirmed that this problem has a clear solution, and it's just a single step away. The requirement set by the SSA is to have verified credentials through the ID.me platform. This official service ensures that the person accessing the website is indeed the account holder. The government reminds users that with this verification, obstacles are removed and access becomes much more secure, even from abroad. And this is the part most people miss. The ID.me platform is not just about security. It's about empowering users to take control of their benefits. For citizens outside the United States, the process is remarkably similar to what's done within the country. You just need to register with ID.me, validate your identity, and then use those credentials to access the official SSA website. This way, the system automatically recognizes you, and access isn't blocked just because you're in another territory. The government emphasizes that this is the fastest and most effective way to restore normal use of your account. But let's talk about the elephant in the room. Some people might argue that this process is still too complicated for those who aren't tech-savvy. The SSA offers more support for all its clients, providing guides, frequently asked questions, and direct contact to solve any doubts. Even those who struggle with technology can receive step-by-step support to activate their account and ensure they don't lose their benefits. The government's intention is to provide security and confidence to millions of people who depend on this tool. With this notice, the SSA aims to calm citizens' concerns. Many thought that from abroad, it would be impossible to access their My Social Security account. But now, it's clear that there is a solution. Users just need to complete registration on ID.me, and they will be able to access their accounts securely. A small step that means a huge change in the experience of thousands of users who live outside the United States. So, what do you think? Is this solution enough to address the concerns of U.S. citizens living abroad? Or do you believe there's still more work to be done? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And let's spark a discussion on how we can make this process even smoother for everyone involved.